After being rescued by the land crews, the car was brought to the detailing shop. The Porsche 911 lies abandoned, its body hidden under layers of grime and rust. It's covered in dirt and surface rust, with faded paint and chipped edges. The headlights are clouded, and the body shows signs of years of neglect. Inside, the leather seats are cracked and worn, with peeling upholstery and a dashboard that's seen better days, with cracks and dust settling in every corner. The Porsche 911 is blasted with a powerful jet spray, the thick layers of dirt and grime quickly washing away. As the water rushes over its body, the faded paint starts to reveal its true color, while the rust spots become more visible. The headlights, once clouded, begin to clear, showing their original shape. A special automotive shampoo is carefully applied to the Porsche 911's exterior, lathering up into a rich foam. The soap gently loosens the remaining dirt, and the grime that was once stubbornly stuck starts to slide off. As the foam is worked in, the paint begins to brighten, revealing a deeper sheen beneath the layers of neglect. The rich suds also seep into the seams, lifting out dust from the crevices, while the gentle formula ensures no damage to the classic finish. The vacuum hums as it sweeps through the interior, sucking up years of dust and debris from the carpets and seats. Shining polish is carefully applied, transforming the Porsche 911's weathered exterior into a glossy, vibrant surface. The polish enhances the car's curves, bringing out the richness of its once dull paint. As the technician buffs it in, the Porsche starts to regain its old luster, now gleaming in the light. The transformation is striking, a clear sign of the car's potential for revival. The Porsche 911 now stands transformed, its exterior gleaming with a smooth, polished finish that highlights its iconic curves. The rust has been minimized, and the paint, though still showing signs of age, radiates with a fresh vibrancy. The headlights shine clear, and the once dirt-covered body now reflects light with a subtle sheen. Inside, the cracked leather and worn upholstery are still present, but look much cleaner, with the cabin feeling less abandoned. It's a stunning revival, an old soul with a new shine, ready for its next chapter.